Hey guys, it's me Rishabh here again. First of all, a very happy Raksha Bandhan to each one of you, to each and every brother and sister, whoever you are, who are taking care of their family, taking care of their younger siblings, taking care of their elder siblings. To all and each one of you, a very happy Raksha Bandhan to everyone. So today I am here to share my list of top 3 favorite girl YouTubers that I really love on YouTube. The type of content they are providing on the YouTube for free and selflessly are really shaping the future of our nation, are really educating the young people, the young student, of the personality development and empowerment, what to do in life, how to study, overall academic development and social development in the society. So I really love these 3 girls that about which I am going to talk about right now. So I have been following them for the last 2 to 3 months, and they are like my sisters now, mother or sister now, whatever you can say, because I am getting their content from them only for last 2 to 3 months, and now I owe them. They have really helped me to gain a bit of confidence in myself, and somehow they have also contributed to my personal development, and have chosen this occasion to share about them to you so that you also get to know about them and you can also follow them. They are really cute and they are ready to help you, and they are very sincere and real. They are like your real sisters and mother, whatever you want to call them, but they are there to help you in any manner possible. They will hold your hand and love you inconsiderably and give the right education to you. So I will list them down one by one. The first channel I would like to talk about, this is called Alina Rais Live. Let's talk about Anila Di. So Anila Di primarily makes content on online earning, English fluency, and finances. Sometimes not exactly, but her main focus is on online earning and on improving your English fluency to get your self confidence in speaking in English. And her smile, she's damn cute. It's damn pretty. Her smile, the way she presents herself, the way she portrays herself as a confident girl. So I love that thing about it. And she, not only that, there is one other thing that she does that's very cute. She will give you an assignment, or what do you call, homework after each video, and will interact you sometimes in the comment, and will give you some feedbacks on that. So that's the very good thing I like about the homework concept. After, at the end of the every video, mostly there are some short homework which she will give you. I mean, she really wants you to take the actions. So that's what I love about Alina Di. This is the next channel, Chit Chat, from Chetna ma'am. So talking about Chetna ma'am, her confidence and her presentation skills, her body language and everything, the way she carries herself. By the way, she primarily makes content for students related to education, finance, career, everything. She shares productivity tips, routines, and everything that a student needs to follow. And her tips and tricks are really realistic. Yeah, she doesn't just say anything like this. It's a very good content that is well researched content that she provides. It's related to English vocabulary, your quarantine routine, what you should do in quarantine, what students should do, and her confidence, man. When you will see her video, the way she carries herself, her body language and everything, you will love that thing. So please give it a check. That's all for Cheetna man. Last but not the least is the Urban Fight. So last but not the least is the channel Urban Fight. So on Urban Fight you can find, Urban Fight is a very dynamic, she is a very dynamic girl, ma'am, that runs the Urban Fight channel. and she is very confident, and she is open to talk to on anything, on public speaking, your career, finance, job. It's a very dynamic channel and versatile channel. You will find contents related to anything, and the channel is named Urban Fights is saying that on that I watched one of the video, her one of the introductory videos, where she explained that we get so much busy in our urban lifestyle that we ignore these small, we take our health and everything into consideration for granted, and eventually we spoil our health and everything. So it's like the urban fight. She's still making you aware of all the things that needs to be your priority actually in your life. So that's how it is, and there is content on almost everything that's more practical and realistic in life. So yeah, so you see that, and her confident and public speaking is very good. The way she speaks and her intonations and pronunciations, everything, you will love that. So thank you, ma'am. So at last, I would like to say that these girls, with their confidence, are shaping the future of our nation. So, and we are very, very thankful to you all, ma'am. We owe you big time, and that's all. You just keep sharing your knowledge and confidence with each one of us, and we will reach a certain milestone someday for sure. By the way, a very happy Raksha Bandhan to all the girls out there. I wish you all a very happy and fulfilling life. Okay, bye bye. I will see you all in the next one. Take care.